Hi friends, today I will show you how to create web banners in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. If you like this video, please like, share, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment box. I will solve your problem. First, open your Photoshop. Now open your My Computer. Click go to D drive. Open your reference image. Now open this. Now go to your properties, details, copy your width and height. Width is 693, height is 231, resolution is 100. Now open your Photoshop, create new, copy your width and height. Width is 693, copy, Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Now Control C for copy for height, Control V for paste for height. Create. Control plus for zoom in, Control minus for zoom out. Now Control J for new layer, Control minus for back, Control minus for zoom out. Now open your reference image. Now see, like this is there, you have to do like this. Now drag and drop into your Photoshop. Now like this is there, you have to create like this. P for pen tool. See this, how it is there. Like this shape is there, we have to do like this shape. First, keep one point here, keep one point here. Now drag like this, like this, like this. Now fill the color, any color you want, or you can copy the color. Press I for eyedropper tool. Press I for eyedropper tool. If your shortcut is not working, go undo manual. Eyedropper tool for I. Select the color. Double click. Copy the color code. Control A for selection. Control C for copy. P for pen tool, Control J for new layer, P for pen tool. If your shortcut is not working, do manual. P for pen tool. Now keep one point here, keep one point here. Now drag like this. Now press Alt and click. Keep one point here, keep one point here. Now close this point. Now delete this one. Now P for pen tool. Off this stroke. Control J for new layer. Keep one point here. Keep one point here. Keep one point here. Drag like this. Now Alt click. Keep one point here. Keep one point here. Now close the point. Control Enter for fill the color. Control D for deselect. Now little move. Now you have to do like this. Another shape. You can duplicate like this, and W for magic wand tool. If shortcut is not working means do manually. W for magic wand tool. Shift select, right click, rasterize the layer, select. Now choose the color. I for eyedropper. If your shortcut is not working, do manual. Copy like this, paste like this. Control backspace for fill the color. Control D for deselect. Now bring it down. Now little move like this. Now little move like this. Now we have to bring one image like this. Now go to your My Computer, double click, go to your D drive, DG, take any one reference image, put it here, bring it down, rasterize the layer. Now little scale. See, like this we will do bro. See, like this we will do banners in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. Now copy all the text from here, open notepad, In next class, I will show you how to create 4-point tracking in Adobe After Effects CC 2019. Thank you. On Saturday, Sunday, I will teach you all graphic designing, video editing in Marathi language. If you like this video, please like, share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.